Hey guys, my name is Azhar and you're watching my YouTube channel Azhar Sassi. In this video, I'm going to tell you whether a GoPro camera is good for vlogging or making videos or not. This review is based upon my 3 years experience with GoPro, and there is one huge thing which I don't like from GoPro. Because of that, I have always thought, why did I buy GoPro? So stay tuned in this video to see and decide for yourself whether to go for GoPro for vlogging or not. Let's go, vamos. I wanted to make this especially for those people who have always thought of buying a good camera but they weren't able to buy iPhone or any other Samsung high-end mobiles for vlogging or YouTube videos. So after this video, you will definitely get to know whether to make the choice of buying GoPro or not. So the very first thing which is really important for making videos is the video stability, and GoPro is top notch on that. I am right now on stairs and I was moving all the way along, but you wouldn't be able to see any of the shakes in this video. That is big thanks to the GoPro's video stability, which you can't see in any phones or even iPhone for that matter. So stability wise, GoPro is the king. So second thing is the audio quality. Right now I am using an external mic, but if you are a beginner and you don't want to spend much on the mic or audio device, I'm panting for breath, so you don't have to buy an external mic. The default mic that's there in the GoPro is more than enough for making really good audio quality videos. If you could see my metro video, that was the first video which I took in GoPro using the default mic of the GoPro camera. The quality was really great. That was my very first video. So you don't have to buy an external mic. Let me show you how the audio works without this external mic. So this is the audio that you're hearing directly from the inbuilt mic of GoPro. I'm sure that you won't be able to hear the difference. However, if you have slight wind across, that would be really evident in the audio of the inbuilt mic in GoPro. Whereas if there is no wind or whatsoever, the audio is perfect for vlogging and you will have a crystal clear and loud voice in the audio. One more great feature of GoPro is that you have two mics, one in the front and one in the back. In case if you are flipping your camera, you will have the perfect audio sound from both the mics or whichever the nearest mic is to you. Let me show you. This is the front mic that I am talking with. Let me quickly turn around and show you how the back audio sounds like from the inbuilt mic that is present in the back side. Now let's talk about the feature which is my favorite, which is getting less attention from the surroundings. So GoPro is relatively small compared to your phone as well as other cameras. So if you are vlogging outside, and just like me, if you were shy in the initial days shooting, I'm still shy to shoot in the public, this will catch very less attention compared to other big cell phones or tripods or cameras. So if you are a shy person, this will give you zero attention in the public and you can easily handle the camera and shoot whatever you want. So the one that right now you are seeing is the setup which I usually have with this mic, whereas in the initial days I just used to have GoPro like this in my hand and shoot it. More than sufficient, and the audio was perfect and it did not catch any attention from anybody. I could shoot that anywhere. That's what I liked about GoPro. Now let's talk about the very huge impactful feature that any creator needs is the wide angle. So right now you could see GoPro gives you a good wide angle of the video and I can still increase it. Let me tell you why this wide feature is really important. For example, if you are vlogging somewhere and you want to cover the maximum portion of your background, then that is really absolutely necessary. And also, if you have 2 or more people with you, even if you are talking individually, when you have a bigger, broader, wider picture of yourself, then it really looks good in the camera. So having a wide angle in your camera is really important and GoPro gives you that. Let me quickly show you the wide and super wide angle, which most of the motovloggers use. I use the wide in motovlogging, whereas most of the motovloggers use the super wide mode that's there in the GoPro. So this is the wide angle. You could really see the difference between the previous version and this one. And now let me show you the 360 angle from this place where I'm standing right now. You could see that the things behind me are really wide. And let me show you the super wide mode now. This is the super wide mode most of the motovloggers use, and you could see literally everything like a fish eye. This feature I don't like, but this is highly useful in few shots, but I don't prefer this while vlogging. This is especially for motor vlogging, to cover the entire things that are around you. One more favorite feature of GoPro is the video clarity. In GoPro, the video quality is really great even in normal mode. You don't have to go to 4K and 5K. Of course, 4K and 5K are there, GoPro models from Gopro Hero 9. Whereas without 4K, I don't use 4K. This is just 2.7K, 1080p. This is really perfect, and I can show you a few examples. The quality is top notch and it's HD. There is no compromise in the video quality, and it's really HD, like or better than iPhone or any other DSLR. So no compromise whatsoever in terms of the video quality. Yeah, with video quality there is time lapse as well. That is also really of top notch. I have shot a lot of time lapse videos in my GoPro of sunsets, of sunrise, and all were really amazing. I really liked them. The quality was also supreme, so no questions or no compromises about video quality in GoPro. So the next really good thing which I like about GoPro is solid and build quality. So I always be carefree with GoPro. I do a lot of rough use. I sometimes have it in my pocket, in my scooter, in my backpack, everywhere without any worry that it will break. By God's grace, it is working good now. For people who, are not good in maintaining gadgets like me, for them it's really a good product. You can do a rough use. You don't have to worry about the product falling down. It is built really solid, and the build quality is really amazing, which you cannot expect in other gadgets like your expensive iPhone or DSLR cameras, where you have this fear of dropping it down. But with GoPro, you can be tension free. You can just forget about the product and use it however you like. One more great quality of GoPro is that you can mount it literally anywhere. There is chest mount. You can mount it on your helmet for motor vlogging. You can mount on your skateboard, on your toy car. These are a few ideas which I had that I wanted to mount. In your car dashboard, you can mount. So there are literally mounts available for the GoPro, and they give you like 1 or 2 complimentary from GoPro, where you can use that and can mount anywhere, shoot any action videos however you want. Talking about the mounts, it can be mounted even in your drone, or while skydiving you can have GoPro, or paragliding you can have GoPro in your hand.
और ये मैं आसमान की ऊंचाइयों में बहुत ऊंचे, पूरा कोहरा ही कोहरा, चारों तरफ कोहरा ही कोहरा है बस.
So it could be mounted literally everywhere, and you can shoot whatever action shots that you want to shoot. So that's a big feature for a camera. The next amazing feature of GoPro is the storage. If you are using a phone, then you need to have limited storage, whereas in GoPro you can put any memory card that you want. I have 128 GB, which is more than sufficient for me in recording my videos. So storage is unlimited, and also with respect to battery, if it's a phone, it will go down fast. So this GoPro has small batteries. I have 2 of them. So if one goes down, I use the other one, and you can have as many as batteries you could, unlike any iPhone, which discharges really fast. With respect to storage, with respect to power, it's power packed. You don't have to worry about that. So that's one huge advantage for vlogging. So one more known feature about GoPro is that it is waterproof. You all know that. This is without any case. It's waterproof. You can take deep as well, and other gadgets don't provide you that. And if you want to go further deep for snorkeling or sea diving, then you can have a case which is giving you additional protection from the water. So this is waterproof. You can shoot anything in action that you want to. So that's there in GoPro. So one key feature is that this GoPro is compatible with a lot of devices. For example, with a tripod, with any external mics. This one, the Boya mic or the lavalier mic, you can use any mic for the motor vlogging. And it's also having a GoPro app with which you can easily transfer your content into your PC. You can see it in your mobile directly with that app. I'm a person who don't want to lose, time in all those technologies. So GoPro makes all that work easy for me. It's highly compatible with any product that you have in the market, and you want to connect with anything, it's there for you. It even acts as a web camera for some. It acts as a CCTV camera for a lot of people too, I have seen. So this is really compatible with anything, any technology. So that's really kudos to GoPro. I think I covered almost 10 to 12 positives of GoPro that you'll be really excited about. Now let's talk about the negatives of GoPro, which I mentioned in the beginning of the video. And one huge thing which I don't like GoPro, let's see what that is. So there are a couple of issues which I don't like, which I faced in my experience with GoPro. So the one is there is no zooming. So whenever you go wide or whenever you have the linear mode, if I want to shoot something which is very far, I won't be able to zoom and capture that. I have to use my mobile for capturing that. But I guess in the recent models like GoPro Hero 10, 11, you have that option of zooming. So if you want zooming, then go for the latest versions, you will have that feature. And the second one I heard about these issues in GoPro is that overheating and freezing issues. By the way, I'm using GoPro Hero 9. I never faced any such heating or freezing issues. And let's talk about the biggest problem for me with my GoPro. Yeah, let's see what it is. By the way, guys, all these features are with my experience from my GoPro, which is Hero GoPro 9. There are latest versions of GoPro 10 and GoPro 11. So this might be similar to those versions as well. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room. So the biggest problem in GoPro is the low light clarity. So whenever there is no sunlight or there is not enough light, the quality of the video is really bad. If you see, I'm standing in a place where it's a little bit dark, there is no sunlight, and you could see the difference of quality on my video. And this happens, and this kills me really bad during night when the quality of GoPro really goes down so bad that I always think, why did I buy this product? So every time I have to vlog, I have to do it in broad daylight, which is not possible all the time. You could shoot with GoPro only in the sun. You cannot do shooting inside a room or during night. You'll be seeing some clips from my older videos where I have shot in the night or in dark places where the GoPro's quality has significantly gone down. So that's one big letdown from GoPro. I'm not sure if they have improved this in the latest models of GoPro 10 or 11, but I don't think so. If you are someone who is planning to buy GoPro for your vlogging, predominantly your work is mostly during low light or during nighttime, then GoPro is not for you. Be mindful of this fact that GoPro does not work in low light and it gives you terrible video quality. So that's one big letdown from GoPro, guys. So guys, I'll leave you the links of these products, which is GoPro 8, GoPro 9, 10, 11 in the description. You can check out the Amazon links. If you want to buy a GoPro, you can buy it from there. Let me tell you a quick difference between all these four models. There is a huge difference between GoPro 8 and 9 because there is no front screen where you could see yourself while vlogging. That is not there in GoPro 8. So I would recommend, I really need this feature. So from GoPro 9, you have this screen in front of you display, which will show you what's happening in the video and if it's getting recorded or not. So that's a key feature. GoPro 9 has that from that series. Similarly, there isn't much difference between GoPro 9 and GoPro 10, and but there is a large difference between GoPro 9 and GoPro 11. Relatively, there will be a cost difference as well. This GoPro Hero 9, which was 36,000 when I bought 3 years ago, now it is 26,000, whereas the GoPro 11 is around 40,000. So you can check everything in the description where I have posted the Amazon links to buy these products. So guys, I hope all the things that I mentioned in this video was really helpful, and now you could make a decision whether to buy GoPro or not. I hope you like this video, so please give a big thumbs up to this video. Please share this video to someone who is looking for this video. They'll have a clear picture about whether to go for GoPro or not. So please do watch the other videos of my channel. If you like the videos that I make, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. So see you until my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Ciao.